We Goa Cable TV Networking and Service Provider Association registered in 2018, and we have had a lot of difficulties for cable poles. So we went in April, and this is the okay. Today we met Chief Secretary, Chief Electric Engineer, Director of IT under one roof, so that it is very easy the government to work for us. Will tell the rest.
Goa government has come out with a policy of IT policy in 13th April 2023, and we all cable operators, ISPs and teams are ready to pay the pole charges, whatever it is, as per the gazette, which is made applicable under the right of pay from 1st January 2025. As per this gazette, the rates have been specified by the Government of India, and it is 1,000 rupees per kilometer on the overhead and underground cable to get the basic permission, and thereafter pay rupees 100 per pole per year for the in advance. So we are going to request the government to reconsider the rates, so that it is possible for all our cable operators. There are 350 cable operators in Goa, more than 30 ISPs, more than 100 BSNL. So everybody has to pay that. In rural areas, it is impossible to pay rupees 100 per pole, because we have to lay 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers cable in the village and give a few connections. So paying for 100 poles and getting money from 10 or 15 customers is difficult to manage. So we request the government to consider the or waive off the charges of pole in rural areas, and urban areas maybe we will decide with them. So since the Chief Secretary, Chief Electrical Engineer and IT Director also told us, whenever there is a need, we will come to your office, have a meeting and discuss the matters. So everybody is benefited from this, and the services given by ISPs, cable operators is not affected. During the COVID, the Government of India declared ISP, internet and cable TV business as an essential service, and taking into account, we request all concerned to take note of that also, so that the service people who are getting the service from these people are not affected, because even government like GST, income tax, hospitals, everybody is using the internet nowadays. So it is better not to cut the cables, but all cable operators who are putting the rolls on the pole should avoid doing that by neatly tying the cable on the poles, say 5 to 10 meters, and unnecessarily keeping 50, 100 meters cable in a roll is making a problem for the linemen. And till date, they have given us cooperation, and we thank them for that. But henceforth, we should be more careful not to tie more cables on the pole, which will inconvenience the linemen and electricity. Thank you.
So any further meeting of yours happening with them officials?
Yeah, we will be having a regular meeting now with the IT department, Chief Electrical Engineer, as told by them. And whenever the difficulty comes, we said we will help you in a way you want. We are ready to cooperate with you, but you understand our problem and give solution to that. We will accept that. We will mutually sit and discuss the matters and solve the issue.
So last till 31st December submission was supposed to happen. That all procedure has been completed or still pending?
No, we have given the applications under the Goa Government Infrastructure Policy 2023. it was given last 1.5 year we have submitted the applications to them, but due to some reason, technical reason or we don't know, they were not able to give us permission. So now the last date given by the IT minister is 31st December, 31st January. So everybody will try to comply that, but cutting the cable is not the solution, because these cables are there everywhere all over India, and the policy by the government of India is also the same for all over India. So taking unnecessary actions against the cable operators of ISP. Now there were only in Panjim there was a cable cutting, and there were 15-20 cables on that. But now after restoring the cables, only 4 cables have come up. And similarly, those operators who are putting the cable, old cables on the poles, should remove their old cables so that it is not causing inconvenience to the people in general and anybody or lineman.
Sir, after cutting the cable, what are the problems you face to reconstruct that wire again?
Because we had to restore the cable. Those cables cut, they had to be restored to give the services, and because income tax, passport office and everybody was disturbed. So after restoring the cables, they got the internet.